Today let us do from exercise 3b question number 6. Prove graphically that the system of equation they are in is consistent and dependent. We have the equation, then we have to plot the graph. Then from the graph we will see they are consistent, that means they meet with one another, and dependent, which means they intersect at many points. So first of all, what to do, you have to calculate the in the form of graph, okay, and plot the graph. After that we will check. So here we have the equation, so let us arrange them so that easy for us to plot the graph. I will leave for y here because here there is plus, then 2, then this 6x, I'll take it that side. This is plus. When I take this side, it will become minus. I want only y, so this 4 which is together, here we have multiply, so if I take it down, it will become divide. So now we can choose any 3 value for x, because we take x this side, we can choose any 3 value for x, then we will replace for y. So for that purpose, I will draw one table. You can choose any value for x, okay, but not for y. You may choose either plus or minus. So I may choose 0, then I may choose 1, or I may choose minus 1. So now first one, in place of x we will put 0 using this equation. Second one we will put 1, and then the third one we will put minus 1. Then we will calculate for y. That you can do in the rough work. So first of all, we will take for x equals 0. So since here we have 6x, that means we have to do 6 into 0. Then we still have to divide by 4. So remember, we have to follow both mass rules. So 6 into 0, 0. Then we are left with 2 by 4. So 2 is in numerator, we have to divide by 4. Which one is greater? 4. So I will go with 0, 2. Then we put 1 decimal, bring down 0. 4 into 5, 20. So when x equal to 0, y is equal to 0.5. Then next, in place of x we will put 1. So y equal to 2. Only in place of x it will change, okay. Now in place of x I'll put 1. 6 into 1, then divide by 4. So here become 2. 6 into 1, 6 by 4. 6 minus 2 we get 4. 6 is greater, in front of 6 we have minus sign, so we have to put minus. So 4 divide 4 we get 1, but there is minus sign, so y become minus 1. Then now in place of x we put minus 1. So y equal 2 minus 6. In place of x now we will put minus 1. So there we will have 2 minus to minus plus 6 into 1, 6. Divide by 4. 6 plus 2, now both are plus, we will plus, become 8. 8 divided by 4, we get equal to 2. So that means when we put minus 1, 8 is equal to 2. Okay, both are plus, sign become plus. So that we finish for equation 1. Okay, now this one is ready for plotting. We will check now equation 2. We have 3x plus 2y equal 1. So the same way, first of all, we'll separate x and y. This is plus, so I will leave it here. Then 1. This is plus sign. Take that side, become minus. I want only y. So here we have into. If I take it that side, it will become divide. 1 minus 3x by 2. Now this one become equation 2. So when y is left alone, okay, it become equation 2. So again now I will have to plot another table so that I will calculate value for x and y. So this one we can write it as table for equation 2. Okay, so x and y. So here also, because I take x the other side, we can choose any 3 value for x. Okay, then we put 0, then 2, then minus 2. You can choose any value, no problem. Then the same way, here we will replace, in place of x we'll put 0, 2 and minus 2. Then we will calculate the value for y. So that we will do in the rough work using this one. Okay, y equal to 1 minus 3. In place of x we can put with 0 now. So here 3x means 3 into x, but now x we know it become 0. Okay, so BODMAS rule, remember, 3 into 0, 0 by 2. 1 minus 0 we have 1, then by 2. So 1 we divide by 2. 2 zeros are 0, 1 we put decimal, 2 into 5 we get 10. So that means the value of y here is again 0.5. Then next let us calculate for 2. 1 minus 3 in place of x now, 3x we put 3 into 2. Okay, because we choose 2. Then divide by 2. So it will be 1 minus 3 into 2, 6. Divide by 2. 1 minus 1 plus. So let's minus it. 6 minus 1 we have minus 5 by 2. So 5 we divide by 2. 2 is greater. 2 into 2, 4. Then 1. So no more number. We put decimal. Bring down 0. 2 into 5 will be 10. We still have minus here. So we'll put minus 2.5. So there in the table we put minus 2.5. Now we will calculate for x equal to minus 2. Y equal 1 minus 3. In place of x we put minus 2. Divide by 2. Equal to 1. Minus to minus plus 3 into 2, 6. We divide by 2. So 6 plus 1, 7. Divide by 2. So 7 we divide by 2. Which one is greater, 2 or 7? 7. So 2 into 3, 6. No more number, we put decimal. Once we put decimal, it will come down 0. 2 into 5, it will become to 10. Okay, so that means here the value for y is 3.5. Okay, then now we are table ready. We will plot the graph. So here you see maximum value is 2 for y. Maximum value for x is 2.5. That means 4. Okay, so you take those. You take your ruler. Okay, and when you draw, be careful. You see it should be exactly coincide with this dark green one. You put like that, and then like here, and don't forget to mark. Okay, positive side y, y prime, x, x prime, the negative part. Then here we have to take up to 4. For each one you have to take equally. You mark it 4. Okay, so now we will start the plotting. Here we have x equals 0. So it will be this one. Y equals 0.5. 0.5 here we see plus sign. So that means we have to go up. Because starting with 0, we'll start from here. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, up to here. Then you can mark it like that. Okay, then here you can write 0, 0.5. Write the name of the point nearby. Then next we have x equal 1. So here we see x is equal to 1. Then y we have minus 1. It is negative. Negative means we will go down, but exactly on this line only. Okay, we have 1. So here it become minus 1. There 1, minus 1. So it will be here. You mark it exactly this one. Okay, line will come here and this one which come here. Oh, please zoom the video, you will see it there. So here we write 1, minus 1. When we write, remember we will write first x, then come y. Then next we have minus 1. This x we have minus 1. So here. Then y is 2. 2 means plus. So we go up. So on this line only we will go 1, 2. So this corner, okay, because this line coming down, this one coming here. So you mark it like that. Then here you mark it minus 1, 2. Okay, then now use your ruler, put it properly. See, all the 3 points should come. So you join it properly, you will get the first graph. So after we join, now you can make this one as graph of equation 1. Okay, then next we'll see for number 2. Number 2 we have, table 2 we have 0, 0.5. This is same. So that means x is 0, y is 0.5. So it will be the same one here, no need to draw again. Then we have 1, we have 2 minus 2.5. X is 2, y is 2.5 minus, so that means we have to go down. So from this line of 2 we go 1, then 2, then from 2 here you count, because we have 0.5. okay, so you count 5, 1. Okay, you can count here properly like that. You see, from here you have minus 1, then you have minus 2, then you count like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you mark this point here. Okay, so after you mark here, it's fall on the same graph here. Okay, so 2 comma minus 2.5. Then we have the next point, minus 2, 3.5. Minus 2, here we have, then 3.5. This is plus. Plus, that means we have to go up. 3.5. Okay, will not go anywhere, but in the same line. Minus 2 will go 3.5. Here we have 1, here we have 2, here we have 3. Then count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, exactly it will be here on the same line. Okay, so here you don't need to join because it fall on the same line. If suppose that means it is less, so use the same ruler. Okay, mark properly, then you extend it down and up so that they will join. Then here they happen to be same graph, so it will be also the graph of equation 2. So then here what you see, we instead of getting 2 graph, we get only 1 graph. So it shows that both the graph coincide and also they cut one another at many points, which means that they are also dependent. So remember, since the graph coincides with one another, that is the reason why they are consistent and dependent. So we prove it. We get what the question want, then finish.